Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn any photo into a thick painted figure using an app called Dreamface. And the best part, it's super easy and totally free to try. First, if you don't already have the app, just head over to the Play Store and download Dreamface. And once it's installed, just open the app and then log in with your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface has a free plan that gives you weekly credits, so you can generate a limited number of photo or video every day without paying. After logging in, you will land on the homepage like this, and then just tap on the AI filter. Now just scroll down until you find the stylistic painting, these sections, and then just search for thick painted figure. This one, just tap on it. Next, just choose the photo that you want to transform. And once your photo is ready, just tap on animate. And then wait for the process. Like this. And as you can see, your photo just turned into a cool thick painted artwork like this. It's so artistic like this. It's super simple, right? And that's it. In just a few steps, you can make your photo look like hand painted art using Dreamface. And it's no editing skills needed. And okay, if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.